Hello everyone, Carl here. Today I'm going to do a review of the endangered species, bold silk plus dark chocolate with 72% cacao. Let's try this out. Let's try a little piece. Well, I really enjoyed this chocolate. Definitely worth the $3 paid for the chocolate bar of this product. And a plus for buying this chocolate is that 10% of the sales go to save wildlife, which is a very nice thought. Um, so scale 1 to 10, I have to give this a 10 plus just because chocolate is delicious and it's for a good cause. So I do hope this intrigues you to try this chocolate. Let me know would you try this, yes or no, why not. And I hope you enjoyed this review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Bye now.